This tutorial will introduce you to Stella 2. Stella 2 is the tool to create Blackboard Learn units and to manage the teachers, etc. within them. I ought to start this presentation, I guess, by showing you how to get into Stella, and only key staff will be able to do this. So let me go back a little bit in order to show you that. I'm logged into Blackboard Learn, and if I access any of my units, I can get to Stella via what is referred to as the Unit Tools menu on the left hand side. So this menu can open and close. If you open it up, you'll see a link to Stella here on the left side. From here you then choose Main Menu, and sometimes this can take a moment. I'm just going to pause the presentation at this point. Okay, so I'm now in Stella 2. I have a few more menus than you will likely have, but the particular one I'm going to show you today is under Manage Blackboard Units, and it's Assign New Classes to Blackboard Units, effectively setting up a new delivery unit in Blackboard Learn. So I'm going to click onto that. And I'm now presented with a list of the units that are available in ASCOL but not yet created in Blackboard Learn. So the principle here is that as you create a unit in Blackboard, it will disappear from the list. That job has been done and doesn't need to be done again. So what I'll do by way of demonstration now is show you how to actually set up a Blackboard Learn unit. So let's imagine, for purposes of demonstration, that I'm interested in setting this one up here. Notice that there's a plus symbol to the side of it, which opens up to show the individual event codes. Recall, in 2011, these event codes are used to indicate the starting and ending dates of that particular unit. And so, for instance, if it was this code here, it has a starting date of the 1st to the 2nd and an ending date of the 17th of the 5th. Okay, so I've made my selection of both the unit code and the event code that's relevant to me. I press these three right-facing arrows, which puts it over to the right-hand side, and I can then add a class to a new unit. Alright, I'm now presented with a screen which allows me to edit the title if I see so fit. That's come from ASCOL, and I'm currently happy with that, so I'm not going to, but know that you can change that title if you need to. I can then indicate the designers and instructors for this. Now, in WebCT, we were used to the word designer and the word instructor. Those two functions coalesce into one in Blackboard Learn. It's this role called instructor. So instructor actually allows you to both teach and to build, and is the principal role that you'll be applying when you're using Stella. You then get to copy materials from either the current year or a previous one, and largely, particularly in this first instance with Blackboard Learn, we'll be building things afresh based upon the default template. So I can now select the default template. This is our School of Business template and has the starting point for all of our content. And then I can simply hit Create New Unit. I get a message at the top of the screen which says section creation has been queued. So basically what happens now is that that job has gone into a queue. That queue runs twice a day, once at 2 o'clock and another at 8 p.m. And so twice a day these jobs will actually get created, and so this new unit will now appear for me, because I'm doing this in the morning, after 2 o'clock this afternoon. You might also notice that that selection has been removed from the list here. Because I've already created it, I no longer need to create it again, so it's been removed from the selection list. And so that's all you need to know.